Welcome back. In this video for Unit 1 Activity 2, the assignment, How Employees Get Paid. This time we're going to take a look at question number 8, Calculating Step Commission. Now this is a lot like the piecework with bonuses, where you get different amounts of commission based on how much you sell, and you sort of step your way up. So again, we're going to use that bin analogy, and we're going to put the sales into each one of the bins. So for this first category where you're going to be earning 5%, you're going to earn 5% on the first $20,000. So we're going to create a bin that holds the first $20,000, and we're going to calculate the commission on that. And then if you've sold more than $20,000 worth of whatever you're selling, then you can move on to the next bin once $20,000 has been put into this bin. So once $20,000 has been put into that bin, we can go off to the next bin. And in the next bin, we're not going to be earning 5%, but in this case, we're going to be earning 8%. And this bin holds $15,000. And we need to fill up this bin with sales before we can move on to the next bin. In this final bin, you're going to be earning 12% instead of 8%. And this bin holds everything else that you can sell. So let's take a look at one of these examples. And Sam's probably the best one to take a look at right here because Sam sold a whole bunch. Sam sold $57,813. So Sam, I'm going to use this line down here. Sam is going to fill up the $20,000 bin easily and still have $37,813. So Sam can easily put $15,000 in here as well. So altogether we've put $20,000 plus $15,000. That's $35,000 in sales that we're going to calculate commission on. Sam sold $57,813. So if we subtract $35,000 away from $813, we're left with $22,813, and that's going to go into this final bin. So this final bin is going to have all of the rest of the sales that didn't fit in the first two bins, and that's $22,813. Now this first bin, Sam is going to earn 5%, and 5% written as a decimal is 0.05. And so we're going to multiply to figure out how much commission Sam's going to earn on the first bin. And in the second bin, Sam's going to earn 8%, and as a decimal that's 0.08. And so we're going to multiply to find out how much commission Sam is going to earn from the sales in the second bin. And in the final bin, Sam's going to earn a whopping 12%, so that's 0.12 on all the sales that are above and beyond the first 35,000. And then now all we have to do is get our calculators out and figure out how much Sam is going to earn in each one of these bins. All right, for the first bin, there's $20,000 in there. It's full up. And we're going to multiply by 0.05. So that means that Sam is going to earn a total of $1,000 in commission for the first bin. For the second bin, there's $15,000 in that bin. So $15,000, and we're going to multiply by 0.08 because Sam is going to earn 8% on the sales in this bin. And when we multiply, we get 1,200. And in the final bin, everything else that Sam has sold is going in there. And remember, that was $22,813. And the sales in this bin are earning 12%, which is 0.12. So that means for the sales in this bin, Sam is going to earn $2,737.56. So altogether, on the first $20,000, Sam made $1,000 in commission. And on the next $15,000 that he sold, he made $1,200 in commission. And on everything else he sold, he made $2,737.56. So altogether, if we add these all up, Sam made a total of $4,937.56. And that's how we take a look at step commission.